Have you ever wondered what would happen if artificial intelligence started making moral decisions, like who gets a job, who goes to jail, or even who lives or dies? Sounds unbelievable, right? But guess what? It's already happening. From facial recognition to self-driving cars, AI is now deciding things that directly affect human lives, and that's why we need to talk about something powerful and scary, something called AI ethics. AI ethics is not about technology, it's about values, it's about teaching machines what's right and what's wrong. Because think about it, what if we create a machine that's smarter than us, but has no sense of morality? That's not intelligence, that's danger. Yismaz, every time you use AI, when you talk to ChatGPT, when your phone unlocks with your face, or when YouTube recommends your next video, AI is quietly learning about you. But the question is, what exactly is it learning? AI ethics is the study of how artificial intelligence should act responsibly. It's not just about coding, it's about conscience. It asks deep questions like, can an AI be biased? Should it make life or death choices? And if it makes a mistake, who's responsible? Imagine a self-driving car about to crash. It has 1 second to decide, save its passenger or save a pedestrian. What should it do? That's not a bug. That's an ethical dilemma. Here's another example. An AI camera that thinks some faces look more suspicious. A chatbot that spreads fake news without realizing it. Or a hiring algorithm that rejects women just because the data it learned from preferred men. Scary, right? This is why AI needs ethics, not just intelligence. See, AI learns from data, but data comes from humans, and humans have bias. So if we feed AI biased data, it becomes a biased machine. Just like a child who learns from what it sees, if we show it hate, it learns hate. If we show it fairness, it learns fairness. So the real question is, what kind of AI are we teaching the world to build? That's why AI ethics is built on 5 core principles. Number 1, transparency. AI should be explainable. We deserve to know how it makes decisions. Number 2, fairness. Everyone should be treated equally. No hidden bias. Number 3, privacy. Your personal data belongs to you, not the machine. Number 4, accountability. Humans must take responsibility for what AI does. And number 5, non-maleficence. In simple words, do no harm. But here's the truth. Not every company follows these rules. Big tech companies sometimes choose profit over ethics. And when that happens, the consequences can be terrifying. Social media algorithms are designed to keep you scrolling. They push content that triggers anger, fear, and division. Why? Because outrage gets more clicks. Or take deepfakes, AI-generated videos that look real, but can destroy someone's reputation in seconds. And in some countries, AI-powered facial recognition is used for mass surveillance, tracking people 24/7 without consent. That's not the future, that's the present. So the question becomes, should AI serve humans, or should humans serve AI? If we don't guide AI with ethics, and one day it might guide us. Now, governments are starting to act. The European Union has launched the AI Act, a global rule book for safe and ethical AI. And companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI have built ethics boards. Their job? To make sure AI doesn't cross the line. But let's be real, policies alone won't save us. It takes people to question the system. It takes you and me to hold AI accountable. But what happens next? What if AI becomes smarter than us? What if it starts making moral decisions on its own? That's not science fiction anymore. That's a future we're walking into. Can AI actually be ethical? Can a machine feel empathy? Can it understand guilt? Right now, no. AI doesn't feel. It just follows patterns. But scientists are working on something called machine ethics. It's about teaching AI how to reason about right and wrong. Imagine a robot that can argue what's moral. Would you trust it? Because once AI starts thinking ethically, we might see machines with values, not just code. As AI takes over jobs, governments, and even warfare, ethical challenges will multiply. Who controls autonomous weapons? Who owns your AI-generated voice or art? Can an AI be punished for a mistake? These aren't just tech questions. They're moral questions that define our century. AI has incredible power to change the world. It can cure diseases, it can fight climate change, it can even explore other planets. But without ethics, that same AI could destroy privacy, fairness, and freedom. So remember, ethics isn't a limitation, it's our protection. The future of AI won't be decided by engineers alone. It will be decided by the choices we make as a society. Because every time we ask, should we build this? Instead of, can we build this? That's when ethics truly begins. So tell me, do you think AI can ever truly understand ethics? Or will it always depend on humans to guide it? Comment your thoughts below. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Because the more people understand AI ethics, the safer our digital future becomes. Artificial intelligence is powerful, but without ethics, it's dangerous. Let's make it human again.